Today I will make red dress from the movie. I bought this fabric and I'm ready to start. I will record all the steps for you so you can follow me. I'm going to use this pattern as a base and I will show how to change it. Draw a line parallel to the waistline with distance 5 centimeters. From this line, mark 4 centimeters up. Connect this point with previous line. Mark another 4 centimeters up. Connect this point with the shoulder. Cut out details as shown in the video. Don't forget to add seam allowance. I have all my details ready and I can start with the dress finally. Take piece of fabric 3 centimeters and 50 centimeters wide, fold it right sides together, stitch and turn it right side out. This will be the piece that we use for button loops. Take piece of paper, mark line and the size of the buttons. Take a string that we made and pin it around the marks. So we're going to create the button loops first connected to the paper. Connect it with the stitch right to the paper. This is how it looks with the stitch. Fold sleeves right sides together and stitch the sides. By the way, we need the same top details, the front, so stitch them two right sides together, the bottom line. So go with stitch here. Next, what you have to do, look, these are my pieces. I have 2 pieces here. And I connected this. So next I take my button loops and I attach them in between these two to one of the sides. It doesn't matter which one. And I attach them beautiful side to beautiful with pins here. Okay, and now look, when we will connect everything, the result will be like this. It's a bit ugly now, but should be good, I hope so. So basically these button loops will be like in between this top layer and this layer, okay? But I want to hand stitch this first because it's a little bit difficult side. Okay, I hand stitch and then I went with machine stitch. And now I think we can remove this paper. And clean it. Okay, look, I made this front detail with these button loops. I think they look not bad, right? So this will be the top. And next we take back detail, and on top of this we have this detail, and we connect sides and the top. Next, pin the skirt and stitch it. And also this part I hemmed. Okay, so now this stitch the skirt and sleeves, connect them like this. I connected my sleeves, 2 of them, and now look, this part I hand stitched it on both sides. Here on top we will have buttons, so it will be covered. And next, my skirt has a shape. I tried it on, I don't really like it, so I decided to make it straight. So I will cut extra on every side, here and here. I marked the lines, and at the end it will be just straight pencil skirt. I want to show you how to make these type of buttons. So basically what I do, I take any color of the button and I will cover it with piece of fabric. So this is the fabric from my main dress. It's very easy, it's much easier than most people think. But we'll need to use thread with the needle, and just with hand stitch, I just take the button and this piece and I just gather the fabric on top of the button. So I attach buttons And also here, let's see how it looks on me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube because it's going to be more and more very cool videos. Follow me on my Instagram. I post a lot of sewing things in stories and just tutorials, and TikTok, of course. Everything will be in description. The link to the pattern also in description. And let me know if you have any questions.